The razorbill is high above the icy waves of the North Atlantic. A mysterious seabird thrives in one of Earth's harshest environments. With their tuxedo-like feathers and razor-edged beaks, razorbills, Alca torta, are the sleekest members of the auk family. These crow-sized birds sport a distinctive white line on their bill, a unique marker for recognizing mates. Their wings, though short, propel them underwater like feathered torpedoes, while their webbed feet anchor them to cliffside nests. Though they resemble penguins, razorbills can fly up to 50 miles per hour. Razorbills spend 90% of their lives at sea, diving up to 400 feet deep to snatch fish like capelin and herring. But each spring, they return to the same rocky cliffs, often reuniting with lifelong partners. Razorbills' dense bones help them sink, while their wings double as flippers for agile underwater pursuit. In winter, their faces turn white, a camouflage upgrade against icy waters.